Should I cover the meatloaf while cooking it at 350 degrees for 3 pounds?
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll tackle a common kitchen query. Should I cover my meatloaf while cooking it at 350 degrees for 3 pounds? This seemingly simple question has quite an impact on the texture and flavor of your meatloaf. Let's dive into the delicious details.
Why would I consider covering my meatloaf?
When cooking meatloaf, covering it with foil creates a sort of mini oven within your oven. The heat gets trapped inside, helping the meatloaf cook faster and more evenly. Moreover, the trapped moisture helps to prevent the meatloaf from drying out, providing a juicier result. However, this method could result in a softer crust, which some might not prefer.
What happens if I don't cover my meatloaf?
Leaving the meatloaf uncovered results in more direct heat exposure, leading to a crispier, more caramelized exterior. For those who prefer a bit of crunch or texture in their meatloaf, this is the way to go. However, this could lead to a drier loaf overall, especially if not monitored closely.
So, what's the best approach?
In most cases, the ideal method is a combination of both. Start by covering your meatloaf with foil for the first 3/4 of your cooking time. This will help to cook it evenly and lock in the juices. Then, for the last 1/4 of the cooking time, remove the foil, allowing the top to brown and develop a desirable crust. This method offers a good balance between a juicy interior and a flavorful, slightly crispy exterior. In conclusion, the choice to cover or not to cover your meatloaf really depends on your personal preference. If you're looking for a juicy, moist loaf, keep it covered for the whole cooking time. If a crispy exterior is more to your liking, leaving it uncovered will get you there. But, the combination method gives you the best of both worlds. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on your meatloaf cooking methods. Happy cooking!